Hello everyone, today we're going to be seeing about the database experiment number 4 dealing with set operations and joins. Now joins. We use joins to compare data between two or more tables using a common field. So that is basically we use set operations and joins. Now we have 10 questions in this experiment. The first one is retrieve the name of the students who made enquiry from the city Coimbatore and city E Road. So I'm going to select the number of students from city Coimbatore. Then I'm going to select this number of students from city E Road. And all I have to do is just join them by using union. So precisely what I've done in the query. So select F name from enquiry where city equals Coimbatore. Then I use union. Select F name from enquiry where city equals E road. And here the number of students are displayed. Our next query is display the details of enquiry made between 1st Jan 2014 to 1 December 2014. Now when we represent dates, uh, the dates can never be a single digit, so if it is first, then we'll have to put 0 before them. And the enquiry is here. Select star from enquiry, table enquiry, where enquiry date is between, we don't use is, enquiry date between 1st Jan 2014 and 1st December 2014. We've got to use the quotes for both the dates. And as you can see, all the required data is displayed here. Next, uh, display the name of students from Coimbatore and studying Oracle. So from the table we have the Oracle code as the course code of Oracle as 20, so we're going to be using that. Select F name, S name, that is first name, second name from enquiry where city equals Coimbatore, union, the same way we did the first one. Select F name and S name from enquiry where course code equals 20, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it's 20. So as per requested, the first name and the second name is displayed here. Now the next query is display the name of the students who have studied more than one course. Now what I'll have to do in my query is I'll have to list them according to their names and courses and then count the course. If any student is studying more than one course, then I'll have to display. So the query also goes like this. Yes. Select F name, course code from enquiry, the table enquiry, and then I'm grouping it according to the first name and the course code. Then I count the value. If the count of course code is greater than 1, then the answer is displayed. But in our table, all the students have one course, so the output we receive is no rows selected. Now, the next question is display the name of the students living in Coimbatore but not studying Java. It's same like the first one and the third one. Select F name from enquiry course C, but here we compare two tables, which is enquiry and also course C, where city equals Coimbatore and course name is not equal to Java. Now not equal to symbol is greater than and less than together. The next question and the answers displayed as follows. The next question is list down the course which is not taken by any student. So the courses which have been offered but have not been taken up by any students is asked to be listed. Here also we will be comparing between two tables, which is enquiry and course, because the course table contains all the courses which have been offered, so we'll have to compare between these two tables. So select E of F name, C dot course name. This field is from enquiry and this field course name is from the course, where E dot course code equals null and no rows are selected as per our table's output. Now our next question is retrieve name, city and enquiry number of the student. When we give star, it means all. So select all from enquiry. But if we need the necessary items, which is name, city and enquiry, all we have to do is just specify instead of star the required categories and the table. So the output is displayed. Now, the next one is display the name, city, and query number of the student without eliminating the duplicates. So, here we go again. Select enquiry number, F name, city from enquiry, and we union all because we use this because without eliminating the duplicates. So we use union all, and then we give the remaining ones, which is select E2 enquiry number, E2 F name, and then all of this, and then we get the answer. As you can see, the numbers and the names, the enquiry number and the names have repetition as well as the city. And the next question is list the course name of the course which is mostly enquired. Here we have, since our table consists of only two names, we the answer is only Java 1 and Oracle 1. It's basically the number of students with how many number of students are studying a certain course. So select distinct course name and count of en dot course code from course enquiry en. We group it by the course name and the course code. Now, en is the name which has been given, having count of en dot course code equals, and then we again go for a subquery which is select row num from course where row num equals 1. Now when we use this query, we get the course name, also the number of students attending that course. Now, list the details of the students who made enquiry, had completed the enrollment and paid the fees. So, select F name from enquiry, where enquiry number in, select enquiry number from enrollment. As you can see, this is a subquery which has been used, and in the outer query we take the information from the table enquiry, while for the other the inner query we use it from enrollment, the table enrollment, where roll number in, again another table which is fees paid. Select roll number from fees paid. So the total number of tables which we are comparing in this query is 3, which is enquiry, enrollment, and also fees paid. And we get the required output, which is Anil and Sachin. With this, we complete our fourth DBMS record. Thank you.